So, hello there. It's just zooming in for a short face mask idea. I'm using a pink, my favorite color, cloth face mask for this experiment. A spray bottle, peppermint essential oil, and water. So, all you need is to put the water in your spray bottle and a drop. At least I use one drop. Now you can maybe get away with 2 drops depending on how much water you use. Just check out your measurements. This is probably 16 ounces of water that I'm using with 1 drop of peppermint essential oil. And I put it in a spray bottle. Makes it easier that way. And when you're ready to use it, you are spraying one little spray on your mask before you go out. And it helps you breathe. Actually, sometimes these masks are very hard to breathe in, depending on which one you have. And peppermint oil seems to just open up the airways, so I like to use that in mine. There you go. Zoom in, zoom out.